Let's make high-protein chicken burrito casserole. For this recipe and other high-protein meals, you can visit outdoormusclefit.com. For this recipe, you'll need 1 packet of taco seasoning, 3 cloves of minced garlic, 1 small can of green chilies, a small yellow onion, small diced, white rice, 1½ cups cooked, 1½ cups of shredded cheddar cheese, 1 can of black beans, and last but not least, about a ½ cup of green enchilada sauce. You'll also need 1 cup of chicken broth. I use the Instant Pot to quickly make shredded chicken, but you could use leftovers if you have any. After you pour in the chicken broth, add the 2 chicken breasts. Make sure the chicken is saturated in the broth. Then, close the lid, set to high pressure for 10 minutes, and then allow the Instant Pot to vent naturally for 10 minutes. While the chicken cooks, you can prepare your tortillas. Did I mention you need tortillas? Because you need tortillas. You're going to want to cut your tortillas into quarters, or as close to quarters as you can make it. Now it's time to shred some chicken. Use 2 forks to pull the chicken apart, mixing it with the remaining chicken broth. Which side of the chicken has the most feathers? The outside. Shred the chicken until you don't have any large chunks remaining. If you don't have an Instant Pot, you can also make this by baking the chicken breasts in broth at 400 degrees for 20 to 30 minutes. Now you're going to transfer the chicken to a large mixing bowl, which is where the magic happens. Now it's time to mix in the black beans, onion, rice, chilies, garlic, and taco seasoning. Now that you have your burrito mix, it's time to grease a medium-sized baking dish. Spoon a thin layer of the burrito mix across the bottom of the dish. Think of the next several steps like making a lasagna. It's all about the layers. Add a layer of shredded cheese over the top of the burrito mix. I like things pretty cheesy in general, but you can always go as heavy or as light on the cheese as you like. Next, we're going to add a layer of tortilla. You may need to cut your tortilla to fit your baking dish. Now add a thin layer of enchilada sauce. Spread it around to make sure it's evenly distributed over the tortilla layer. Now start the process over again with a new layer of burrito mix, followed by shredded cheese, tortilla, and enchilada sauce. For the last layer, we're going to mix things up a bit. Add a layer of burrito mix, followed by a layer of enchilada sauce, then top with shredded cheese. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. And there you have it, cheesy chicken burrito casserole. Let rest for 5 minutes and then serve with avocado slices and salsa. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.